Hello mga kamatiniks! This is Teacher Yang giving you math tips. Our tip number 1 is multiplication by 11. There are several ways in finding the product of a number and 11. So let me show you two ways. We have the long method and of course the shortcut method. So when we use the long method, we may multiply first the ones digit to the factor, the first factor. So to multiply 1, we have 1 times 3, we have 3. 1 times 4, 4. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 5 is equal to 5. 1 times 3 is equal to 3. And 1 times 2 is equal to 2. Next, multiply the second digit or the tens digit to the factor again at ilalagay yung sagot sa hanay niya. 1 times 3, we have 3. 1 times 4, we have 4. 1 times 1 is equal to 1. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 3 is 3. And 1 times 2 is equal to 2. And then, we add. So, we bring down 3. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 and bring down 2. Therefore, the product of 235,143 and 11 is 2,586,573. Now, let me show you the shortcut method. So 235,143 times 11 can be solved using this process. Just bring down 3. Add 3 and 4, 7. 4 and 1, we get 5. 1 plus 5, we get 6. 5 plus 3, we get 8. 2 plus 3, we get 5. And bring down the last number, which is 2. So therefore, the product is 2,586,573. Is it easy? Let's make math madali.